Shein Marketplace is booming in the USA and their last month's traffic is 319 million. And if you look at the last 3 months closely, this is increasing. Now, this is the fame percentage, which is 72%, and the popularity is 31%. This is decent, but the interesting thing is popularity is rapidly increasing day by day. So now Shein is no longer just a clothing platform. It's now a massive marketplace where third-party sellers can join and profit. And guess what? Its marketplace expansion means sellers are now making serious money. So if you are selling fashion, accessories or lifestyle items, it's time to expand and build on Shein too. Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to start selling products on Shein Marketplace. The first step starts with the sign up process. Alright, for that go to seller.usshein.com. Now here click on join marketplace. Well, this page will appear. We need to fill up the form with personal details such as name, email, phone number, company name, company address, etc. And then we need to answer these questions like what is the main product category, estimate total number of SKU we have, and so on. Now, after all this done, we need to click on submit. After submitting, Shein review your application. Normally, you will get a response within 1 to 3 business days. Okay, let's say you are registered successfully. Now the crucial point, what product to sell on Shein? I suggest that you must have answer to these 3 questions. Is the product profitable? Does it have strong demand? And does it align with Shein's audience? Shein mainly focus on fashion, beauty, home decor, lifestyle and accessories. So browsing these categories will give you an idea of what works best here. Well, now the main question, how to do product research? Shein has tools. You can use these for product research. Let me show you. Go to Shein Seller Hub. Now click on marketing and then product opportunities. Now here you can see the potential trend. Now you can select the categories and hit apply. Alright, that's how you can see the product trend on the selected categories. You can also use tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout for the product research. Now we got product. The next step is product listing on Shein. Click on the product and then add product. This page appear. Now first you have to select the category. After done, click on submit. Now we need to add basic information here such as product name. You can add up to 1000 characters. Next is SKU. And then if you have a certificate of origin, you can add here. Right after that, product description. You can add up to 5000 characters in it. I would suggest use bullet points here. Next, product attributes. Add this according to your data. You can expand from there. This will reveal new options. Anyway, now if you have variations like different size, colors, you can add it from here. Next is images. You can add up to 11 images and these are the requirements for your images. Move to the next, which is inventory. Fill up this according to your data. Then fill up the quantity segment and then additional images if you want. Lastly, if you want to add videos, here you will find the options and these are the video requirements. Now the final part is sales information and add your item price here. After all is done, click submit. And that's it. We successfully added our first product. Now Shein have some great tools to scale up your business. Like you can see your account health. You can check if your product has any violation or not. If you have violation, you can see details so that you can fix this later. You can track your shipping performance and then your store performance. Now in the analytics section, you can see your sales performance. Well, there is a tool on market performance. Check out for the market trends and performance. By using those tools, you can get the idea where you need to improve. And that's it. The process is simple but requires effort. Sign up, pick the right products, list them well, and use Shein's tool to grow. If you have difficulties or need expert help managing your Shein account, our team ecommerce is here to support you. Just send us an email at info@ecommerce.com and we'll get back to you ASAP. Let's scale your business together with our 12 years of marketplace experience. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.